In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a custom report in SKU Science in just a few simple steps. First, click on the New Report button. This opens the report builder, where you have full control over the data you want to include. All fields calculated within the platform are available, so you can tailor the report exactly to your needs. For example, I can add fields like ABC percentage, ABC class, and family. If there are fields I don't need, I can simply remove them. I can also rearrange the order of columns by dragging and dropping them into place. You can also sort the data, say, by ABC percentage to quickly highlight key insights. Next, let's add some additional metrics. I can include the forecast consensus and choose whether to display demand in price or units by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu and refreshing the preview, and I can go back to units the same way. Another powerful feature is the ability to apply filters. Simply click on Add Filter and select a field. You can filter by product name, part number, location, or even by the forecast consensus, with multiple filtering options available depending on your criteria. We also have the option to aggregate data. For instance, I can group the data by family and click Refresh Preview to see the aggregated results. Likewise, I can disaggregate the data whenever needed. Once you're happy with the setup, give your report a name. Let's call it New Report 2025. SKU Science will then begin generating the report. If you need to make changes later, just click the Edit Report icon to update it anytime. And that's it. Your custom report is ready, designed precisely for your needs. Thanks for watching.